Go.
Okay. Now, I have built a tornado in a bottle. Here's how you do it. You get one bottle, fill it with water, 2/3 of water, right here. Now, next, you are supposed to put food coloring in it. And then, you are supposed to put little sticker pieces in there. Whenever the food coloring gets dissolved, you should put the sticker pieces in there and then get another empty bottle, stick it on there, and tape it around. Scotch tape or duct tape. Let me show you how this works. First, you flip it upside down, and then you shake it like this. That was the best one I've ever did. Here's another one. Here it goes, the best one. Another best one. See those debris? It's floating right around in the tornado right there. And then it gets sucked down the funnel. Probably sometimes gets through out. So that's how a tornado works.